Hi friends, welcome to my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. In this video, I am going to explaining about how to repair a V-guard stabilizer easily. Let's start the video. Here I am describing about a common fault and how to solve it. The common fault is output is not coming on stabilizer. For solving this problem, firstly remove the cover of stabilizer. This is a transformer and remove the fuse from transformer. Look at this. This is a sensor type thermal fuse. The fuse has melt out and open circuit due to variation of voltage. For joining the fuse, heat the fuse using soldering iron. Fuse has joined automatically after heated. Do not use soldering lead for joining the fuse. It is a common fault and more people are struggling by this fault. We can simply repair this fault without help of any technician, and also you can save your money and valuable time. Then insert the fuse into transformer. Then try to connect stabilizer into power supply. Look at this. Now the stabilizer shows output. I think this information is valuable for you. Just try this. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel JJ Pathfinder. Thank you for watching this video. Real Path creates victory. Now goodbye.